Hello, let's talk today about the difference between solicitors and barristers, because we get asked this question a lot, and I guess it is strange to lawyers from jurisdictions where you're a lawyer or an attorney and you don't make a distinction between the two professions in quite the way that we do. It's important to say at the start that the difference between the two professions is now kind of historic. In the past, there were two very different professions with very different roles and very different rules regulating their conduct. But now the distinction is getting smaller and smaller. And I'd say in a few years, we'll just have lawyers. I think that's my prediction. So a solicitor, a lot of people think they're secondary in some way to barristers, but they're not. Don't worry, there's a fence between me and her, don't worry. Solicitors are not secondary lawyers. In fact, if you want to find the most successful lawyers in England, do a search for the English Magic Circle law firms, and there you'll find the wealthiest lawyers in this country. I think it's the Magic Circle. So what do solicitors do? Well, the Magic Circle law firms represent commercial clients and banks, companies, huge sports clubs in all kinds of legal situations, in particular company documents, contracts, things like that. And solicitors can go to court, and they do. They go to court all the time. It's just they don't have rights of audience in all courts in the way that barristers do. So if you're coming to live in the UK and you want to be very successful as a lawyer, the thing to do is look up the Magic Circle law firms and try and get in there. And also look at their websites, because you're going to get a lot of very useful information there. Barristers, in the old days, a member of the public could not approach a barrister directly. Now you can. There are some lawyers that are barristers that are direct access barristers. They're specialists usually in a very narrow field of law. So when a solicitor gets something that they need specialist help with, they will ask a barrister. And of course, you know them for the wigs and the gowns. They still wear those in court. And I still think they look ridiculous. They're made out of horsehair. So I'm probably safe with these girls behind me. We don't want their hair, they're cows. So it's horsehair wigs, gowns. They do have chambers, and most of them are self-employed rather than in partnerships and things like that. But when it comes to the important day-to-day work, as I said, the difference is historic. Bye for now. See you next time.